Alright, so here's a random project of the day. I got this little phone charger holder for a Christmas gift, and the only deal is you have to assemble it. So I thought I'd just show you. If you're a visual learner, hopefully this helps a little bit. Just go ahead and unclip the base plate, unclip the base. These slide out, and then this splits open. So we want to work with the piece that has the red in it. But first we start with the base. We're going to take our phone charging cord, and you come up through the base with the part that gets connected to the phone itself, and you feed it up through the base. Then you take the piece that has the red inside the supercharger red, and you put it down. You put it in that square hole and and just thread it through a bit. Once that's threaded through, and you want to give yourself like, I don't know, 8 or 9 inches, then we'll take the cord and feed it through the groove that's already impressed into this first half. And you just feed it right through there like so. Once that's good, you hold that cord down, because if your cord has any spring to it, it's going to want to spring back up. You don't want to get it pinched. So take the other half of the charger and just snap it on in there. And if it snaps good and that seam is good, then you know you're fine. Before we add the base on, we have to add these side posts. And they don't snap in. They just kind of are held there by friction. And so when you add the base, you want the posts to line up in either hole on the ends, and the cord to come through the big square hole, and then this base just snaps in there like so. Once the bottom base is in, we're going to feed that cord through the slot at the bottom, and then we'll attach our base plate. So there, the rest of the cord is coming out the back. And now you're ready to plug this into your phone. This is a cool, inexpensive little gift. You can pick these up at the Tesla website. Hope this video helps. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.